Hi friends, I hope you all are doing fine. And recently, the Google has been announced as in a package update, and after that, the people has been facing a problem, and they have been asking me non-stoply, why is a package update? Is we need to do any changes or like that in a Play console? So that's the reason. Today we are trying to publish one app. So after the recent update, the console has it's a completely new account, so we will going to publish the game, and I will going to show you how you can able to upload the new application in the Play console with the package thing. And there is some changes has been updated in the Play console. Regarding that, we have been uploading this video, so let's start. This is in a Play console, so this is in a completely new Play console, and we have a app. This is in a task application. It's kind of a task application. Whoever required the task application, let us know. We build the task application cheapest price, or you want any publishing or 12 tester service, please let us know, so we will going to do it. Okay, so we will take first the information. So we already been taken all the information here. So it's just first we're going to copy the app name, and I will show what is the new changes has been happened. So it's completely new account. So just we're going to create it. So here is the app name. Here is the new section has been added, that is a package name. So when you have been developing your app, so then you need to make the package name. After that, you need to check the availability. They can't use the package name is already been registered. Okay, to register this package name, to use this package name, you need to register to provide the ownership. Okay, register the package name, then you need to register here. But as right now, it's been taken already. So best thing to you, to avoid this kind of a package name. So just I will going to switch. So this is a package name error. So I will going to change my package name, which has been available in the Play console. So if this already, this kind of a package name is already been taken, if we want to see how we can able to see this package name is already taken or not, so just simple go in the Play Store. So we will going to go in the Play Store. You can able to find it very easily. So if I'm clicking any app or any game, so here .com is there here. So we need to check it while you are building application. You just go need to check it. So it says that it's already some people has been taken this kind of a app. Okay, but it's not available. So it's mean that you need to be careful while you are been making. So while you are been publishing, while you are making any gameplays, create an app, and in that just write it here package name, then just make it sure that it's available or not. After it is getting available, I will going to next I will going to change the package name, and I will going to show what is the exact problem is there, and how you can able to fix it that. So as we see that the package name, so now we will going to register our package name. So how you can able to do the package name here, just create here. So while we have been publishing our package name, when we are checking, it said to register your package name. Nothing you have to do, you just to go to under development verification, and you need to register your package here. Just you write your package name and app name, just copy it and paste it here, and just do next. It's check the eligibility, and it's right, select the eligibility publish key. So so here is the two keys are there. There's such one key, so I need to get so it up to us, whichever we want to select. So I will just try to select the first one, and I just add the key. Otherwise you can see the guidance also here, how we can do the key store. All those things information is how you will going to do the key store sign in. It's the same thing. So I'll just select one thing and add a key store, and it's asking to upload the APK, but I have a what we say, I have a ABB. So we got the APK. So let me save the APK from the client side. We got it. So okay, so we need to copy this thing. As you can see that we need to copy this unique code, and we need to make it APK. Then we have to sign in with this key store, and we need to upload the APK, that is okay. So then we have to upload our APK, so we need to check it. So Google will going to verify that whether it's been right or wrong. So then okay, it's been submitted, so your package has been signed in. It's been under review again. I don't know why the Google is doing like that. So it's been said that it's been under review status, so this is the thing. So maybe I think it's going to take some time. So while that time is there, so we will going to try to publish our app here. So let me open all the description and all those things again. It's been really like a headache for me nowadays. Google is giving so much work every day, and it's, to be honest, check eligibility. Okay, your package has been already registered with your account. It's been done here. So then select the app. It's free, and confirm the policies and next and create an. Oh, okay, okay. I does not selected this one. So just create an app. So this time this is very complicated thing. Google has made it. To be honest, I thought that it is very easy to develop and publish the app, but it's nowadays is very complicated thing. We don't know why the Google has been doing this kind of a stuff. It's making more complicated to the users. So let's we will going to fill up and other things, and private policy link, copy and paste it, and save it, and app data, yes, it has a functions. Okay, here we will going to write the mail ID. We will I'll going to write it. That is a login ID. If you have a login ID password, then you have to use this login ID, and password is this one. Okay, and here we have to give the authentication. Here, sorry, here is a login info of the app, user ID, password. So I've been like in a breakdown to each and everything here, so it will be very easy. So here is a password, and here is a email ID. Okay, so just add it. Oh, okay, okay. Space here, and there is no more information has been required. Just add it and save it. Just go back, and ads, yes, of course, is contain the ad because it's not a task application, so obviously it's going to contain the ads here. And the content rating, we had taken for the content rating also the mail ID, that is officially the mail ID. I'll type and agree, and the next, then do no, no, no. Rest of all things are the same how we used to publish, but the thing is the no package name is the most complicated thing. Google has made so much complicated to nowadays. So for a games, I don't think so it will be required, but for a apps it's required. So in the next video, I will try to publish the one game also, so we can able to understand it's going to show only to the games, or it's for the application or okay. Targeting audience is a 18 plus, and next and save it. Just go back, and data safety, so the customer has given me the data safety here. So what I will going to do, I will going to save the data safety also here. So data safety already has been built with me, so no need to create any new thing here. I just need to replace the website link, that is a deleting data section here. So let me copy the document of that also. So account deleting thing we need to add it here. Just it's okay. Next. So what are the permission we have been taken here? It's already been selected here. So just do it next and save it. So the new policy we have been added here, and go to the dashboard again. And it's government app. No, it's not a government app. To be honest, really Google is making such a complicated to us to publish an app, because recently it was quite easy, but nowadays is very complicated after the COVID. The thing is Google has made very complicated to us to publish the app, because after 2019 the the problem with the app, that the government apps and what we call financial app, it has making huge problems to the people. So that's the reason the Google has made so much changes. For the developer, it has made very complicated to us, so I request to the Google to make it such an easy for the developers. Okay, and it's in a health app. No, it's not in a health app. Just select it no and save it. Just go back, go to dashboard, and categories here. So I will just select like an entertainment, save it. Here we can select the categories, entertainment, finance. I will click it because it's mostly like an entertainment only, entertainment, finance, investments. That's it. Personal finance, I will keep it, so it will be very easy. And official mail ID. Better we're going to see in the policy here. Contact info. Okay, private policy. In this, we can able to see the mail ID here, official mail ID. So we're going to copy and paste here, and we have a official website also is there. So we're going to copy here and paste the official website also, then save it. Okay, then close it, then go back. Oh, I clicked on all apps, so no need to be worried. And the next segment is the short description and long description. So here is a short description. So whoever wants to publish their application or games or anything, let us know. We will going to do it in the cheapest price for a 12 tester services also. And app icon, this thing the Google has did very good thing that we can able to crop it and align the sizes of the logos. So as this is a very good thing that the sizes may not matching, so we can just click in the app and save it. So it will going to uh, customize, and it will going to take it. So the feature image also, we will going to upload the feature image. So it says if your size is not matching, then we can instantly we can able to crop it. That is a very good option the Google has provided for us. To be honest, this only one thing I really like by the Google. So because we no need to go to and edit the sizes, and we need to apply all those things. So it's very good, and required the screenshots also. Mm, please make sure the screenshot should be the exactly screenshot what is your app is there. So no need to be do any tampering like that. If it is not match, it shows exactly, so it's not matching. Here also is not matching, here also is not matching. So just save it. So this part has been done. So it is a new account, so I will going to show you how you can able to see it's a new account or old account. Let me save the data here. So it's been taking time, it has been saved, and send the changes for a review. So just click on a dashboard. So if your app has a old account, so that won't show. If it is old account or organization account, it won't show to you like this, and it won't show opt-in like that. It will show direct to publish. It won't show for the 12 testers. So what we have to do, we have to go in the closer testers and select the region, and we will going to select entire countries, all the countries, and save it. Okay, then select the testers. So I need to add a testers also. Wait a minute, I need to check it out. Tester mail ID also here. Who I require the 12 tester service, let us know. We will going to do in the reasonable price. Just save it. Okay, and create a new release. I think here will quite thing will be there. If it is same key store, then it's not a problem. If it is a different app, then again it will going to be a problem. So for release, I will copy the small description of it. I hope it should be not get any problem. It has been really very struggling nowadays to publish an app, and I've been published so many apps, but after this update, it's really been a headache for me also to publish the app, and so many users, I think it will going to face the problem to publish the app. So now they will going to ask me again, sir, how we can able to sign it and all those things. So again, I need to uh, show all those things. So I think in next coming video, I will show you how you can able to make the packaging sign in APK also. It's very easy. It's not such a complicated thing, let's say, and just save it. Next. So there is a not a red warning, so you can leave it off, just save it. So just go on overview. So all the things has been done, so we need to send for the review now. Review overview, send the changes for review. So we right now we have been sended our app for a review. So just go to our apps. It says that not yet sent for a review, just nothing but you need to just do the refresh to your browser, and it's been fixed, and say that all of your application has been successfully registered with the Android development verification, and go to Android Terrifier. So we can able to go from here, or you here, or you can go from here also. So it's been registered. So how we did this is kind of a registration you have to do. If you feel that it's been really complicated or anything, please write in a comment, so we can able to make a new video on this, so if it won't be a problem to you. Okay, so I hope you people like our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.